preliminary hearing was then listed for the 4th of June 2025. 2 days beforehand, the respondent, Mr. James Shakeshaft, wrote to the tribunal to say that Miss Ashwell has been arrested twice for harassment to the Vinex director, its staff and its family members. For the information of the tribunal, this has included both death and grievous bodily harm threats. The police are currently searching for her in order to rearrest her and charge her. The CPS has advised the police that she will be charged. The respondent's communication to the tribunal portraying me as a criminal grossly misrepresents the circumstances and is an attempt to prejudice the tribunal against the claimant. Both of my arrests were unlawful. The first arrest was retaliatory, following my disclosure of serious misconduct, harassment and collusion by the respondent and their associates. The second arrest was for a trivial LinkedIn comment in which I stated that I would never buy a JQ or anything promoted by Chris Robshaw, a statement that did not tag, threaten or contact him directly. There was no reasonable basis for fear of harm, and the respondent's assertion that they were threatened is entirely fabricated. While I acknowledge that I made statements which could be misinterpreted as threats, they were contextual, defensive, and related to exposing wrongdoing, and at no point did they constitute criminal intent. No court has proven any criminal liability on my part. Being arrested based on 8 selective screenshots with over 5,000 now, with over 6,000 now, with over 6,000 pieces of exculpatory evidence exist in support of my claims, constitutes procedural unfairness and potential malicious prosecution. The respondent's submissions to the tribunal intentionally mischaracterise my conduct to obstruct civil proceedings, violating Rule 3 of the Employment Tribunal Rules of Procedure, duty to deal with cases justly, and Article 6 ECHR, which guarantees the right to a fair hearing. These actions also demonstrate abuse of process, as the respondent is using criminal allegations to intimidate and silence a claimant pursuing legitimate employment claims of constructive dismissal, sex discrimination, bullying and whistleblowing, as well as legitimate criminal claims of rape, collusion, witness intimidation, harassment, stalking, perverting the course of justice, and multiple serious data breaches by the respondent and their associates. In summary, the respondent was never in genuine fear of me. Their actions reflect a concerted strategy to manipulate the legal system, intimidate a whistleblower, and undermine the tribunal's ability to adjudicate fairly, further evidencing bias and procedural impropriety. It's only 6 in the morning, guys.